standstill. People are trying to take pictures of it.
I can draw the ticket for you. I can dip my hand into your very nice bag here with Council West Islands. Raise the awareness, of course, for this charity. And luckily, we have a phone number on it, so if you're not here, we'll give you a phone call. But the winner, ladies and gentlemen, for the passenger ride in the Valkyrie is Lee Quincy. Lee Quincy.
This is someone's car crash and they must be very, very rich. And I think it is someone's car crash. They must be making like a lot.
Thank you very much. Well done, Lee. Just a moment. Okay, we have the stick ready. Some say he's been walking up and down, choosing his favourite cars of the show, and we know we're going to be just a couple of moments' time.
Oh, look at the doors on the end zone. I think after we'll be able to look at them from the front. I really wish to own all these cars. Like Ferrari Enzo is like maybe 3, 4, 5 million. 1, 2. All I know is that the Enzo is way over £1 million. Oh, can we go look at the engine of the 48?
Finished with all the cars.
Please come on then.